What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the serial filler for the cup break. Sorry about that. Go live here. Live at 4:13. I'm just going to do one timestamp. And it just turned 4:14. We're going to go 3 times on both lists. 1, 2, and 3. Yan on top and Grant on the bottom. And now for the numbers. 1, 2, and 3. 9 on top, 2 on the bottom. Yan, you got 9, Andreas 0, John 6, Alyssa 3, Andreas 7, John, you got all the 101s. Grant 8 and 5, Dave 4, and Grant 2. And I will do one last timestamp. 4:14, just turned 4:15. There you guys have it.